This is Hyuan Water Treatment Company. The video shows a mobile containerized reverse osmosis water treatment plant with an output of 6 TPH. According to the raw water information provided by the Australian customer, the raw water is well water with a TDS of 2800 ppm. The customer needs to use the treated water as boiler water, so we formulate a professional production plan and a detailed configuration list for the customer, so that the treated water reaches TDS of 31.6 ppm, which fully meets the customer's requirements. The equipment is equipped with a VSD frequency conversion device, so that the high-pressure pump can start slowly. This equipment is equipped with PLC and HMI, and the water flow, pressure, water quality, and pH value can be viewed online remotely through a mobile phone or computer. The process flow is: feed water storage tank, booster water pump, sand filter, antiscalant dosing system, cartridge filter, high pressure pump, RO system, CIP, product water storage tank. Finally, thank you for watching. If you are interested and need it, please contact us immediately for more detailed information.